Hello stalkers, welcome back. Today ADNH Catering got listed in ADX market. We will review that in a while. But let's have a quick update on DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. Again today market printed a red candle, but thankfully support zone is still intact. We can see it came down till about 4,456 points and then it recovered. Market has been going sideways for the last 6 to 7 days. It's now decision time whether it will break down or it will continue its upside momentum the way we have seen previously during the recovery phase. It's very tricky, to be very honest, because there are global scenarios. There is Lulu IPO also that is coming up. People are encashing so that they can subscribe to this mega IPO. By the way, if you still did not watch my video on Lulu IPO, here is the iCard. Click that link and watch that video. Talking about DFM market index, as of now it's a bit tricky. As I just mentioned, there are chances we may see it may come down. If support zones on the way down does not hold, then we have strong demand area at 4,400 points. If this fails, then I'm sure you must have marked it on your charts as well. The next demand zone is at 4,361 points. Need of the hour, as I have been mentioning, market has been going sideways for so many days. We want to see a breakout and a closing above 4,500. In a way, it's still good that market is just going sideways between resistance and support. So very soon market will break out on either side. I am still bullish biased. I think after this drop, market recovered very nicely. More than 50% of recovery is already seen. So there are good chances we may see upside momentum in DFM market index. Also, when I compare it with ADX market index, DFM is looking much better. It's still positive. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. In my yesterday's video, I had mentioned after this red candle, there are very good chances market may continue its downside momentum. We can see a very similar kind of scenario. Hit the like button if you can relate it. After the strong drop to the downside, we can see some recovery, and from here market went sideways for about 2 weeks. Very similar to what we saw in DFM market index, market has been going sideways. And unfortunately in ADX market, we are seeing a break to the downside. Now, if you have noticed something, there is slight difference. After the drop, it could not recover more than 50%. So obviously this is looking weaker. Whereas in DFM market index, we saw a drop and it has recovered 50% of the mark. So this is obviously looking more positive, more stronger. My worry is next support area for ADX market is 9,160. If this fails, then there are good chances we may see lower support areas, that is right here at 8,974 points. That is a bit far. If I have to calculate the drop, then approximately right from this area till the bottom, market has space of about 2.50% to the downside. Hopefully that does not happen. If at all, market can hold about the support, that is 9,160, and then break past, clears the resistance of 9,352. That's when I will call bullish or positive. As of now, it's looking negative. Check this out. After the strong drop, market went for a recovery that is too little, and now there are chances it can make a new low, breaking the previous swing low. Even the stocks in ADX market are taking a beating. Hopefully we see some recovery tomorrow or before the weekend. This is the daily chart of ADNH Catering. It got listed today. The opening price was at 0.960, exactly the offering price of the IPO. Obviously, investors are not happy. They must be disappointed as they did not see any capital gains on their investments. However, today market has printed a perfect doji candle. This is indecisive candle. Those who have subscribed my YouTube membership with the ebooks, definitely they know this is a indecisive candle, and here there are chances of breakout. Let's go down to 15 minutes chart and see how it performed during the intraday. As on the daily chart, we just have one candle, as today was the listing day. So again, to repeat, opening price in the market today was 0.960, today's high was at 0.970, and today's low was at 0.941. Obviously we are seeing volatility in this stock as it was listing day. Another important thing that I noticed today is right after the opening, volume is declining along with the price, and also the number of trades are just around 3,000. So this is too little for a listing stock. Usually when the stocks get listed, whether it's in DFM or ADX, we usually see more than 5,000 trades and with huge volumes. Anyways, this is looking a bit interesting to me because as we can see throughout the day, market was under selling pressure. Around 12 o'clock or 12:30 we saw some buying coming in. It was very short lived. It made a new low from here and we saw some recovery. Right at the time of closing we can see more than 4 million shares traded and closing is exactly at the same place where it opened at 0.960. So definitely big fishes are buying the stock, which pushed the price higher. Plan of action for tomorrow will be, if at all it opens flat or with a gap up. We will have to wait for a clearance of 0.965. Once this is taken out, then there are good chances we may see upside momentum. By the way, let me remind you, as per the ADX market rule, this stock will have 3 days for free momentum. There will be no limit either to the upside or to the downside. So still it has got 2 more days. Let's see if it can break past the high that it made at 0.970 and create a new benchmark. Or else in a negative scenario, if it opens with a gap down, then there are chances either it can go sideways or come down, even go lower than what it made today, that is 0.941. Hopefully, let's see tomorrow if it can show some strength. If it can sustain at least for first 30 minutes above 0.960, then this would give us another indication that there are chances big boys are holding up and it can go higher. Any entries that you take should be planned with proper money management and stop loss. For more detailed analysis with my stock recommendations for entries and exit, scan the QR code and join my YouTube membership. Link is also provided in the description. If this video was helpful, then do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.